Happy day, students. Today I want to teach you the book back exercises of 11th standard English, Prose 1, The Portrait of a Lady. Now turn to page 6. We shall see the vocabulary exercises. Read the following words and choose the correct antonyms. Okay. First, moist. Moist. Option B. Arid. Second one, frivolous. Option A. Serious. Okay. Third one, omitted. Omitted. Option D. Included. Fourth one, protest. Option C. Accept. Next, serenity. Option B. Anxiety. Scattered. Option C. Gathered. Monotonous. Option A. Interesting. Now moving on to next exercise. Fill in the blanks, choosing the appropriate compound words from those given in the box. Okay. Rita hurried along the road dressed in her spotless new dress towards the bus stop. Before sunset, she had to reach the house of her grandmother, but the first half-hour travel was slow due to traffic jam. Her homecoming would be regarded with joy. She was overstraining herself to reach the place. When she finally stepped into the courtyard, she was received with a big hug by her kind aunt. She was in time to join the gentlefolk at the village for a sing-song. Moving on to the match the words. You see, we shall match the compound words. Mantle plus lashes. It's given, no, you have to match. So, mantle, piece. Eyelashes. Waterproof. Beehive. Toll gate. Door knob. Spinning wheel. Moving on to next, you have to frame meaningful sentences of your own. The thought was almost revolting. We proposed to visit Kashmir, but the thought was almost revolting. Second one, an expanse of pure white serenity. Sitting along with the grandchildren, she was like an expanse of pure white serenity. Third one, a turning point. A job in an MNC was a turning point in Geeta's life. Next one, accepted her seclusion with resignation. The sadhu accepted his seclusion with resignation. Fifth one, frivolous rebukes. The children enjoyed the frivolous rebukes from their kind grandmother. Moving on to suffix and prefix. We'll move on to the, you know about the suffix and prefix. A prefix means that which is added in the front. So you can see in plus audible, inaudible. A suffix is a letter that is placed at the end. Okay, prefix in the front and suffix at the end. Constant plus ly, constantly. Now you have to form two derivatives from each of the following words given. Okay, manage. In page 7 you see. Manage, manager, management. Differ, different, difference. Beauty, beautify, beautiful. Peace, peaceful, peacefulness. Arrange, arranger, arrangement. Collect, collector, collection. Approve, it's prefix, no, disapprove. Suffix, approval. Narrate, narrator, narration. Class, classic, classical. Moving on to homophones and confusables. You see, we have the exercises. And first one, fill in the blanks with suitable homophones. We have a short break, break, between the sessions. The car skidded to a halt when I applied the brake. Second one, waist, waist. A. Shivani wears a belt around her waist. B. We should never misuse or waste natural resources. Third one, principle, principle. Oxygen is the principal element, that is main element present in the Earth's crust. Both these machines work on the same principle. Fourth one, bread. Turtle should be bred in a healthy environment. B, I like to have toasted bread for breakfast. Fifth one, lesson. A, this medicine will lessen your pain. B, finally the manager learnt a lesson the hard way. Sixth one, pale. The child looks very sick and pale. B, I need a pail of water to wash these cups. Seventh one, through. A, Ravi picked a banana peel and threw it into the dustbin. B, the soldiers had to pass through a dark tunnel. Now coming to eighth one, corpse. CORPSE means dead body. Okay, the corpse was covered with a shroud. A 5-day annual training camp for the senior cadets of National Cadet Corps has been organized. Now moving on to page 11. You have articles and determiners. Grammar part. Okay, determiners are words placed in front of a noun to clarify what the noun refers to. So types of determiners are articles, a and the. Then you have demonstrative, that is this, that, these, those. And possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, its, our, your, their. Quantifiers are telling the quantity, some, any, few, little, more, much, every. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 100, like that. Ordinals means first, second, third, last, next. Moving on to the paragraph. You see, read the paragraph below and fill in the blanks using a, an or the. It is said that the computer is an electronic extension of the human brain. Therefore, in principle, a computer can do all those activities which the human brain can do. Today, computers are found to be the most useful devices as knowledge providers. Another important field of application of computers is the development of robots. The internet has brought a drastic change in communication systems. In the following paragraph, B question you see, insert a and the wherever necessary. Okay. In our family, we have planned to take the children to a zoo next Sunday. A van has been arranged and we are sure to have a comfortable journey. The zoo is an interesting place for the children who enjoy watching the animals and want to know more about them. Even the youngsters love to visit the zoo. Moving on to next exercise, that is C. Fill in the blanks with appropriate determiners. Okay, articles also may be there. Articles have been included here also. Once the emperor gave a bag of seeds to his council of ministers and said that he would give them 6 months' time to grow the seeds. Whoever does a good job will be made the second emperor of that empire. All the ministers took their task seriously. After 6 months, some ministers had small plants in their pots. A few had very large plants. Others had medium-sized plants. The emperor entered the hall. He was much amused to see some plants. He called the first minister and asked him what he did with the seed. The first minister explained the process he had adopted to make his plant to grow. The emperor called all the other ministers to explain what they did. Only one minister had come with an empty pot. They laughed loudly at the foolishness of this minister. But the emperor applauded him and made him the second emperor. Do you know why he had given them boiled seeds which would not grow? Only that minister was honest. And moving on to question D. Fill in the blanks with appropriate determiners. First one, they came early, but there was little work to do. Okay. Little means, no work at all. Second one, Anand invited a few friends for the birthday party. That means a few means some friends. Third one, the teacher gave every student a separate topic for the assignment. Fourth one, most of the water overflowed from the tank. Each one of my friends wished me on my birthday. Next, Vijay had no idea of the problem. Next one, Adi had taken many photos during the program. Last one, some girls who attended the class informed the others about the test. So dear students, with this I wind up the class. We shall meet in the next class.